In August 1945, as World War II came to an end, two ambitious men set out to reshape the American auto industry. Henry J. Kaiser, a powerful California industrialist, joined forces with Joseph W. Frazer, the CEO of Graham Page Motors. Together, they formed the Kaiser-Frazer Corporation with one goal: build a new kind of post-war automobile. Within a year, production was underway at Willow Run, Michigan. The first Kaiser and Frazer cars rolled off the line and quickly reached dealerships across the country. By the end of 1946, more than 11,000 vehicles had already been delivered, marking a strong start for the new company. A few years later, Kaiser-Frazer partnered with Sears, Roebuck and Company to sell Allstate-branded cars through select Sears Auto Centers, based on the Henry J. platform. Then in 1953, at the New York Auto Show, the company revealed something bold: a fiberglass-bodied sports car known as the Kaiser Darren Frazer 161, powered by a 161 cubic inch six-cylinder engine. It was a glimpse into a more daring future for the brand.